I'm using Boosteroid cloud gaming on my MacBook for over 2 years, and here's my honest opinion about this cloud gaming service. So first of all, macOS is not a gaming platform, and for casual gamers like me, investing in a separate Windows PC or PlayStation is just not reasonable. Today, there are two options to play games on your Mac. The first option is to use the Mac App Store, where you can find a bunch of cool games, but the selection is very limited. But what if your favorite game is not available for Mac, or you have an old Mac with low specs? In this case, you can use cloud gaming services like Boosteroid. All you have to do is to sign up, download the Boosteroid app, open the app, launch the game and play. There are no issues and no installation process. It works on all Mac computers, no matter your model and performance specs. Even 10 years old computers can be used to play games via Boosteroid. As long as you have a decent internet connection, you can use cloud gaming services like Boosteroid and enjoy gaming right on your Mac. So what's the trick? The actual gaming process is happening on a powerful cloud server. The video you are seeing while playing on your screen is just a high-resolution, low-latency streaming of your own gaming process. So technically, you are playing the game, but you are not using the resources of your machine. You can play any game as long as you bought it via Epic Games or Steam, and as long as your game is supported by a cloud gaming service. Most of the popular games out there are available on Boosteroid. The only thing you should have is a stable and fast internet connection. This is not my case, unfortunately, but I will show you that it works pretty well even on my slow internet speed at home. So first, let's play using a stable Wi-Fi connection. The Boosteroid app lets you make an internet connection test before start playing. So as you can see, my Wi-Fi speed is pretty good, so I suppose the gameplay process will be pretty smooth. Although in this video I will also test my 5G hotspot from my iPhone and my very bad home Wi-Fi, so you will see the result. Okay, so just to show you an example of a gameplay, let's play my favorite game, Grand Theft Auto 5. All you have to do is just press on the play button, wait a couple of seconds, it will start connecting to the server, and usually you'll be able to start playing in 30 seconds or 1 minute. Meanwhile, I was also asked to log in into my Epic Games account because I own GTA 5 through Epic Games. Once I've logged in into my Epic Games account, I can launch my game and play in my virtual PC on my Mac. Once you are in the game, everything is very smooth. It's like a normal game, but on your Mac, and I'm so excited to be able to play my favorite game, GTA 5, on my MacBook. So no issues, everything seems very smooth, very fine. If you have a good and stable Wi-Fi connection, there are really no issues with Boosteroid cloud gaming service. Sometimes you can have small latency freezes, like a couple of seconds, but it happens maybe once or twice per hour. Again, the final quality will highly depend on your Wi-Fi speed. And yes guys, I almost forgot to tell you that you can use Boosteroid.com right on your iPhone or iPad, so you can play Windows AAA titles on your iPhone with a gamepad. And you know what? The gaming experience is pretty interesting. It's like having a mini PlayStation right in your pocket, and it's like, wow, I'm impressed. I'm playing using my 5G connectivity, and I don't have the best carrier, but as you can see, the gaming process is very smooth, and yeah, like it's amazing. I like it. Being able to play GTA 5 right on my iPhone, it's cool. And obviously you can play any other game available on Boosteroid. Now I'm using Wi-Fi hotspot from my iPhone to my MacBook. As you can see, the connection test is not the best, but let's see how the game will perform using 5G hotspot. So it's still playable, but I see a lot of lags, the latency is crazy, also the resolution is not so high, I would say it's like 720p. I mean, you can play using your 5G hotspot, but it's not the best experience. It's playable, but it's kind of, yeah, it's not the best. Lastly, let's make a test on a very weak Wi-Fi connection in my home. As you can see, the connection test is not very good, so I suppose the gaming experience will be very bad. Although, let's see how it will perform. Well, so far it looks okay. The resolution dropped a bit, but it's still playable. Of course, the quality is worse than on my very good Wi-Fi speed in my office, but it's still playable. I cannot say that I'm enjoying the game, but I can play. Although I can see small freezes, yeah, you see it's freezing for a fraction of a second, and it's, oh no guys, no, unfortunately, I just crashed because of the Wi-Fi latency. It's not because I'm a bad driver. What's going on here? Shit. No, unfortunately, if you have a weak Wi-Fi connection, you cannot use Boosteroid cloud gaming service, and I suppose any cloud gaming services will not work in your case. I don't know if you can see it on the video, but the game just freezes for a fraction of a second, and yeah, it's not the best experience. So, time for the verdict. The Boosteroid Cloud Gaming Service is a very good service if you're a casual gamer and if you have a very good and stable Wi-Fi connection. The coolest part of this gaming service is the ability to play Windows games right on your iPhone. I think it's amazing. My overall experience is rather positive, so if you want to try this service, I will leave a link in the description of this video so you can sign up and try it yourself. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!